It's tech time with Electronic Eric. The hottest new technology secrets in just 60 seconds. In today's edition, macOS Hotkeys. Press Command F to start a Spotlight search in Finder. Press Command Space to perform a Spotlight search anywhere. Press Control Command Q to lock your screen, requiring a password to log back in. Pressing Command Comma will open Preferences in the current app. Pressing Command J will open the View options in the current app. Press Option Command Escape to force quit an app that's misbehaving. Use Command Delete to move a selected item to the trash. Use Shift Command Delete to empty the trash. Electronic Eric, friendly service at the speed of light.